Hi, I'm Mrs. Smith, and today we're going to talk about ants! Oh, come on, they're not that bad. Did you know that ants have the longest lifespan of all of the insects? They can live for years, not just weeks or months like other insects. Scientists believe there's probably about 1 million ants on the planet for every one human on the planet. Ants are also found on every single continent, except Antarctica. Some live underground, some fly. They're pretty amazing, actually. Did you know that ants can carry 50 times their own body weight? And they can work together to move even bigger, heavier objects. The largest ant nest was found in Argentina, and it was 3,700 miles wide. So they really had to work together on that one. So here's my fantastic question. How much should an ant that weighs 4.5 milligrams be able to carry according to the video? You can go back through the video and review it for clues, answer in your journal. Don't forget to show your work and explain your thinking, and then share it with your teacher for feedback. Mad respect to the ants, and mad respect to you for joining me here on our math journal journey. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.